In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of your site in Webflow. If you ever need to roll your site back to an earlier version, Webflow makes that process pretty straightforward through the Backup section in your project settings. This can be especially helpful if a recent change caused layout issues, removed important content, or simply didn't turn out the way you expected. The key is to review the correct backup carefully before restoring it. To get started, open your Webflow dashboard. Once you are there, locate the project you want to work on. On that project card, click the three-dot menu to open more options. Then choose Settings. This will take you into the Project Settings area where you can manage several parts of your site outside of the designer. From the menu on the left side, click Backups. In this section, you will see a list of saved versions of your site. These backups represent earlier states of your project. So this is where you can go back in time and recover a version that was working the way you wanted. Before restoring anything, it's a good idea to inspect the backup first, so you can make sure it's the correct one. Move your cursor over the backup you want to check, and click the eye icon. This opens a preview of that version in a new tab. Take a moment here to look through the site carefully. Check the pages, content, and layout to confirm that this is the version you actually want to bring back. Previewing first helps avoid restoring the wrong backup and having to repeat the process. Once you've confirmed the correct version, go back to the Backups tab in Webflow. Find the backup you want to restore. Click the menu next to that backup and choose Restore. Webflow will ask you to confirm the action. After you confirm, that selected backup will be restored as the active version of your site. Keep in mind that restoring a backup means your project will return to that earlier state. So any changes made after that backup may no longer be part of the current version. Because of that, it's always worth double-checking the preview before confirming the restore. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.